All right, let's take some of this. Bah! Doing some golden raspberry picking, harvesting, doing some other stuff. Compost bins are getting filled up. Hey everybody, it's Matt the Garden Guy here, and I make how-to videos on how to garden, eat the food you eat, prepare the food you eat, and just everything garden related. Hey, so today we're just doing a quick harvesting and whatever. This is what we're up to today. Sunflowers are holding on strong. We'll see how much longer they last. The one pear tree right here, we took those all down a couple weeks ago. We're going to turn our attention to this guy right here. This should be turmeric. So we'll see how it looks. Turmeric looks here. There we go, we got some right there. There we go. Hopefully we have some more good ones inside. Oh, that smells so good. Probably could have grew a little bit longer, but it's getting super cold out here. So it's time to pick it. That's a good one right there. We'll see. There we go, there's a good turmeric right there. A lot of very young ones in here. Takes very, very long to grow this stuff, and it kind of already broke some of it off. If you remember, I started this stuff super early this year, and I have not touched this all season, and just pretty much set it and forget it. Oh, there's a really good one right there. No, there we go. It's kind of rotten right there on the side. There we go. I'm going to use my Draft Tools garden hose here reel to go ahead and clean these off. So here you go. Here's the really dark piece here. This was the parent of it. This one doesn't really have a lot. We have a lot of really small ones here. Jen's busy here picking our cucumbers and whatever tomatoes we have left. So some of you might have noticed I was saving the water. Just want to reuse it to water the garden beds here. I've pretty much stopped watering them altogether from my irrigation system. I'll just take some of this water, just put it in there. Somebody must be harvesting some basil. I can smell it. Really haven't touched our plants at all this year. Besides like tomato soup or something, what else do you use with your basil? Let me know down below. One of our favorite things is to make pesto. We'll make beet leaf pesto, so yeah. Alrighty, well I got all the turmeric cut down. We got the leaves here. Sub dog sunbathing. Go throw it in our compost. So with the turmeric, I'll do what I did last year. I'll just microplane it down, and then I will sun dry it, and then we will consume it. We'll throw it in stuff. Probably throw it in some pickles, and I make a lot of ramen soup during the winter time, so I'll put some of that turmeric in the ramen soup. All in all, pretty disappointed with the overall harvest for this year. Second year growing turmeric. I mean, it looks like I got a bunch, but there's a lot of really small pieces. I'll continue to grow it every year, continue to learn, and keep posting out there how I'm doing it. If you guys got any techniques on how to grow turmeric or what works better for you, please let me know. I'd like to learn from you all as well. Notice we got some pretty large radishes again. So, time to get these picked. I ate one earlier today. It was pretty hollow in the middle, so just go in here, Start grabbing all the really fat and juicy ones. Some just right there. Look at these guys. It's already splitting. Probably not going to be the greatest. I do got some really long ones in here. These are the long daikon radishes. So I'm just going to let these keep growing. And just go through the box here and get them cleaned up. Alright, I guess for research, I'm just going to pull one of these out and see how it looks right now. Yeah. A little bit longer. But it's looking pretty good. These white radishes. Probably, again, let them sit here for another month. There we go. So is that guy ready? Pretty big head there. We're just gonna go in and pull it out and see together. Oh yeah, buddy! Look at that carrot. There you go, everybody. That's a white carrot. Look at that nice red carrot. Planted a bunch of rainbow carrots here. Did a test run this year on these carrots. Next year we'll get a lot of them now. So we're also going to be getting some of our celery out. This thing is growing so good. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this guy right out. Might need two hands. And of course I did. Look at that beauty. Good celery there. Might also notice that I changed into something new here. It's the Farmer's Defense hoodie with these sleeves here. It's going to protect me from the sun. Also, as I'm putting my hands inside these plants here, my arms are going to stay nice and safe. And if anybody's put their hands inside these cucumber plants before, arms, they get ripped up. Or these guys right there. Is that our raspberry patch here? Really sharp. It's going to protect my arms. These things are amazing for my fall harvest time right now. The Farmer's Defense hoodie. They'll work great for you too. Alrighty, so now that I've done some harvesting, I'm just going to go ahead and get them cut off using the modern sprout pruners here. I use them really good for this. Pops that right off. Got these multicolored carrots. They're looking pretty good. Got some awesome beets. We're gonna save the leaves. Gonna eat these in some salads. Got some celery. Got our yellow carrot. Got our daikon radish. Pretty good day so far. Alright, let's take some of this. Bah! Both bins are getting packed and we got a boatload of stuff. So go ahead and grab this, throw it in there. Yeah, you might have noticed, got my gloves off. I got them soaked. So those Farmer's Defense rugged leather gloves are really awesome, but they got soaked. Probably need to get another pair. But you know, if you want to get yourself a pair too, right down there below in the link in the description, sorry, there'll be a link where you can pick them up. They're pretty solid. Alrighty, as we continue to do our fall harvest here, we got, well, it's not fall yet, but I call it my fall harvest. I got all of our carrots out. We're gonna leave our green beans to continue to go. Our peppers are still doing good. Our spaghetti squashes, we're just gonna leave this. We're gonna let this guy go. We got our bucket of celery and carrots. Stuff is just going to keep growing. Remember that you need to continuously harvest so that they continue to grow, and just keep doing it until they no longer produce or you just completely frosted or frozen out. We also got a small bucket of radishes. Ah, that's where the daikon radish went. I kept the radishes together. Alrighty, I think I'm done for today. My wife Jen did some harvesting. We're out here multiple times a day. Don't put your hands in there. I'm gonna have to get to that because we have a cucumber right behind there. Never a dull moment here on the Matt the Garden Guy stead. See what I did there? It's not a homestead, it's Matt the Garden Guy stead. Always plenty of work to do. Take your time, don't get overwhelmed. Do what you can do with the resources you have. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd ask that you please consider to. That helps me out tremendously. Also, down below are some links. If you're looking for some products, go check them out. Those help me out too. If you don't get them, it's okay too. Number one thing that I appreciate you doing is watching my videos, interacting with me, commenting, thumbs up, and shares. Until next time, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later. Matt the Garden Guy, out.